Replacing a toilet trip lever is a small action that can prevent hours of wasted water and reduce your household's environmental footprint. A worn or loose trip lever often causes partial flushes or continuous running that quietly wastes water day and night. Start by shutting off the water supply at the valve behind the toilet and flush to empty the tank to avoid spills. Remove the tank lid carefully and observe the linkage between the lever and the flapper. Note whether the chain is too tight or too slack because correct chain length is critical for a full seal and clean flush. Choose a replacement lever made from recyclable metal or durable plastic to extend life and minimize waste, and prefer designs with a smooth pivot to reduce wear on the internal hole in the porcelain. Install the new lever by inserting the shaft into the hole, securing with the nut finger tight plus a quarter turn with pliers, and then adjust the chain so there is a slight slack when the flapper is seated, but no slack that prevents a full lift. After reassembly, turn the water back on, let the tank refill, then test by flushing twice and watching for lingering flow or an incomplete seal. Common mistakes include leaving the chain either too tight, which lifts the flapper slightly and causes a slow leak, or too long, which can prevent a full flush. Correct this by aiming for about a quarter inch of slack when the flapper is closed. Another frequent issue is over-tightening the mounting nut, which can crack the porcelain or bind the lever. So tighten only until snug and then a small additional quarter turn while checking free movement. People also replace levers with very cheap, brittle parts that fail quickly. Avoid this by selecting moderately durable materials that are labeled recyclable and keep the old handle for drop-off at a local recycling center. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we can share experiences and ask questions about simple green upgrades like replacing a trip lever. We help contractors find work by letting them engage directly with homeowners and contribute practical advice in our community.